FDA approves Dawnzera, a breakthrough for hereditary angioedema, HAE. Imagine living with a rare disease where your body can suddenly swell up, your hands, feet, stomach, even your throat, without warning. For many people, these attacks are not just painful but potentially life-threatening. This is the daily reality of hereditary angioedema, often called HAE. On August 21, 2025, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, approved a groundbreaking new therapy, Dawnzera, known generically as donidalorsen, developed by Ionis Pharmaceuticals. This approval marks a major step forward in the fight against HAE. To understand its importance, we need to look closely at the disease itself and how this innovative treatment works. Hereditary angioedema is a rare genetic condition, affecting an estimated 1 in 50,000 to 1 in 150,000 people worldwide. It stems from a genetic defect that disrupts the body's ability to regulate inflammation and swelling. The defining feature of HAE is recurrent episodes of severe swelling, which can affect many areas of the body. Attacks may involve the hands and feet, making movement difficult and painful. They may strike the abdomen, causing intense cramping, nausea, and vomiting. They can affect the face and genitals, which can be both physically distressing and emotionally challenging. Most dangerously, swelling can occur in the throat, obstructing the airway and creating a life-threatening emergency. For those who live with HAE, there is constant uncertainty, never knowing when the next attack will come, how severe it will be, or whether it will require urgent medical care. Over the years, different therapies have been developed to either treat HAE attacks when they happen or to prevent them from occurring in the first place. However, most existing options require frequent injections or intravenous infusions, and some are not effective for every patient. There has long been a need for more convenient and longer-lasting solutions. Dawnzera addresses that gap. It is the first and only RNA-targeted prophylactic therapy approved by the FDA for hereditary angioedema. It is indicated for adults and adolescents aged 12 years and older and is designed specifically to prevent attacks before they occur. Dawnzera uses advanced antisense RNA technology, an approach pioneered by Ionis Pharmaceuticals. Its target is plasma prekallikrein, a protein that plays a central role in the cascade of inflammatory events that drive HAE attacks. By lowering prekallikrein levels, Dawnzera interrupts this chain reaction, reducing the likelihood that dangerous swelling episodes will occur. In practical terms, it quiets one of the key biological triggers responsible for the unpredictable flare-ups that patients dread. Another important advantage of Dawnzera is its ease of use. The recommended dose is 80 milligrams, delivered under the skin with an autoinjector pen. Patients can self-administer the injection at home. Unlike older therapies that require weekly or even more frequent dosing, Dawnzera only needs to be taken once every 4 weeks, and in some patients, once every 8 weeks is sufficient. This reduced dosing schedule represents a meaningful improvement, allowing patients greater flexibility and less disruption in their daily lives. The approval of Dawnzera matters for several reasons. It is the first RNA-targeted option for HAE prevention, representing an entirely new approach to treatment. Rather than simply blocking a protein temporarily, it acts upstream at the genetic level, limiting the production of a key protein and offering durable benefit. By reducing the burden of frequent injections, Dawnzera can improve quality of life, giving patients more freedom to focus on work, school, and family without constant anxiety about their next dose or the next attack. For patients, Dawnzera is not just another drug, it can be a lifeline. Fewer emergency hospital visits, fewer missed days of school or work, and fewer terrifying moments of airway swelling mean a chance at more normalcy and peace of mind. While no medication is perfect for everyone, this therapy signals a future where people living with HAE have safer, more effective, and more convenient treatment options. Hereditary angioedema is a rare but devastating condition that has transformed the lives of those affected into a cycle of fear and uncertainty. The FDA's approval of Dawnzera offers new hope. It highlights not only the progress in treating this specific disease, but also the promise of RNA-based medicines more broadly, which may continue to transform the treatment landscape for other rare and serious disorders. This is a landmark moment in the treatment of hereditary angioedema, a reminder of how far science and innovation can go in changing lives. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay informed about the latest drug approvals, medical breakthroughs, and healthcare innovations, make sure to subscribe to Drug Insight Hub.